best time to buy and sell stock. You're given an array of prices and you need to buy and sell stock so that the profit is maximum always. So let us consider the index as the days and the elements as the prices. So for example, if you are buying at day 2, which is at price 1, and selling at day 5, which is at price 6, the profit would be 6 minus 1, which is equal to 5. So this could be the maximum profit. You also may get doubt to subtract 7 minus 1, which is 6, and this is the maximum. But this is not possible because if you want to sell the stock, you need to buy it first. So if you're subtracting a 7 minus 1, that means you're buying it today and selling it yesterday, which is not possible. So coming to the brute force solution, you could buy it day 1 at a price of 7 and go on selling it all the other days to get the maximum profit. So you could keep track of selling it all the days and keep track of the profit. So this would take complexity of big of n square because you will keep the an element constant and subtract all other elements. So coming to the optimal solution, for example, if you're selling at day 6 at a price 4, then previously you always wanted to buy at a least price. So that means you need to get the minimum of all. So the minimum would be 1 because the minimum of all this before 4 is 1. So get the minimum or subtract 4 minus 1, that is 3. So current profit is 3. Next, if you are selling at day 5, which is at price 6, so 6 minus minimum, that is 1, would be 5. So you would update the profit to 5. So like that you will check for all the other elements and keep on tracking the profit, which is always 5. So this is the optimal solution. Let us look at the code. You always keep track of minimum and the profit. So you would iterate to all the elements using for loop, and you will track the minimum price, which is minimum of the minimum price and the current price. So next profit would be current prices minus the minimum price because you are selling at a particular price and you always wanted to buy at a minimum price. So that is why current minus minimum price, and the max profit would always be max of max profit and the current profit. So finally, at the end of the day, you would return the max profit. So this is the optimal solution. Follow baby stack for more most asked DSA questions.